How to fix Snapchat glitch. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and scroll down, click now on storage option, and here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And what's next? Now go to this option permission here, go to files and media and allow access to media only, and that's it. Your problems after that will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.